Hi everyone, welcome back. So today's video I will be showing you on how to tone down some brassy yellow hair. Also, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell button for more videos. I post every single week some new hair videos, so if you guys are interested in learning, go ahead and keep on watching. So starting off, before we tone her, I'm just going to go through her hair and dust off her ends. Now, all I am doing is just taking off whatever is dead. There are some spots that are a little bit uneven just due to breakage, so I'm just going to even it out for her. Now, this always makes the color look better as well when you give the hair a haircut. Not sure if you guys could tell, but at the beginning, looking at her ends, they were super dry, and we just want to get rid of that. That way she has healthy hair. So now for toner, I'm going to be using Matrix Color Sync 6A, which is a 6 ash. And the reason why I'm using this is because I like Matrix Color Sync because it doesn't have too much green in it. As most of us know as hairstylists, anything that has an ash base is going to have green. So the reason why I like it is because Matrix actually has a lot of blue and violet base to cancel out any type of yellow. My client also too wants it darker now for the fall, so that's why we're going to be toning her down to a level 6 to make it kind of look like an ashy brown, but not too much because she still wants it light to where she still has a lot of dimension throughout her hair. Now I'm also going to be throwing in some Redken Shades EQ 6N and a little bit of 6NA, and that's just to make it super cool toned. If you have not tried the Redken Shades EQ, any of their natural ashes, I highly recommend that you do. They help so much when it comes to brassy hair. And yes, guys, you can mix Redken Shades EQ with any type of color line. Of course, you're not going to mix the whole thing, but I always like to just throw a little bit in there. So now for developer, I'm just going to be using a 10 volume. I'm not going to use anything higher because I do not want the rest of her hair to lift with this color. Even though it is a demi-permanent color, I just don't want it to lift. So we're going to use a 10 volume, but we're also going to be leaving it for almost 30 minutes. So now I'm just going to be applying that color, the toner, and I'm just going to be applying it to whatever is lightened. So she has already been sitting for 15 minutes. As you guys could see, that toner is starting to darken her hair. Now, normally I would not leave a toner on for 30 minutes, but we do want to darken her, and I'm using that level 6, so I wanted to stay and last a little bit longer. So all I did was leave it for 30. I rinsed her, shampoo and conditioned, and now I'm going to be blow drying. As you guys could see, she already looks so much more darker. But that is the thing, is when the hair is wet, of course the color is always going to look darker until it blow dries, and it definitely starts to turn lighter.
Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh, baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach your sweet as a heart, baby.
Okay, so this is the final look. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I really like the way that this came out. Now we didn't tone her down too much, of course, because she still wanted that balayage look. She still wanted to be light, but just be toned down now for the fall. Now this color should last her long. My client doesn't use too much heat, and she doesn't wash it as much. Now remember, really control that heat on your guys' curling iron straighteners, because heat is known to fade the color. But I hope that y'all enjoyed, and I will be back with more videos.